Hey guys, it's me Jai Pawar Randhir and welcome back to Treats and Travels. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tamarind sauce, which is popular condiment in India and it is integral part of street food. It has sweet and tangy taste, which will go with your favorite Indian snack. Now, without wasting a time, let's get started. Take 1 cup of dates, then add them in instant pot or in pressure cooker. Then after that goes in half cup of jaggery. This is a half cup of jaggery. Add that in pressure cooker or instant pot. Then I'm adding half cup of tamarind. Then add salt to taste and followed by 1 cup of water. If you want to do this chutney in instant pot, then add everything together. Then close the lid and pressure cook this for 12 minutes. Now we are closing the lid of our pressure cooker and we will be taking 3 vessels of it. After 3 vessels, then turn off the gas. When pressure releases naturally, take this mixture in one strainer. When it is cooled properly, use spatula to take out all the pulp. Spread this mixture by using spatula on strainer, and at the back of the strainer you will get pulp out of tamarind, jaggery and dates. Now take out this pulp from the other side like this. You have to take out this pulp from the other side and you can add that pulp in the bowl. Add little amount of water in this pulp and again you have to repeat this process. Repeat this process until you can see seeds and skin of tamarind, and after that your pulp is ready. At this point I must tell you this pulp tastes like Imli Ki Goli that you can buy from grocery shop. You can eat this pulp as your sauce also. This tastes amazing, but I will be adding few more spices. Let's add salt to taste, then followed by coriander powder. Then I will be adding chili powder and then goes in chaat masala to taste. At this point of time I will be adding half cup of jaggery and then after that give it a good mix and then your tamarind sauce is ready to eat. Serve this recipe with samosa, kachori or any type of Indian snack. I will be also showing you these recipes. This is special recipe from our shop in Nashik. If you like this video then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any recipe suggestion or recommendation then let me know in the comment section below, and until my next video, तुमचा आमचा अन्नदाता सुखी भव.